Welcome to my channel. This is Crystal. Fried rice is one of the most popular dishes in my family. It can be as simple as this only 5 ingredients fried rice, or you can fancy it up to this colorful, flavorful 10 plus ingredients fried rice. As a fried rice fan, also keep healthy eating in mind. I like to find any opportunities to add more fruits and vegetables into my daily meals. Today's pineapple fried rice recipe is a good way to add this tropical fruit to my favorite dish. It not only contains various colors and savory taste from the fried rice, but also give the fried rice a sweet and fruity taste. You can get it ready as quickly as 30 minutes for the main course of your regular weekday family dinner, or you can use it to please your guest with a pineapple shape in the plate for an exotic touch. Today, let's take your taste buds on a Southeast Asian adventure with this tasty Thai cuisine-inspired pineapple fried rice. Now let's get started. Like the name suggested, let's first prepare the pineapple. This tropical fruit contains loads of antioxidants, vitamin C, manganese, and bromelain, just to name a few. Introduce fresh pineapple to your diet is a great way to boost your immune system and stay healthy. Cut into half from the stem to bottom. Half-inch away from the shell, carve out a square shape. Then slice through the middle part of the pineapple horizontally and vertically. Use a spoon to scoop out the pineapple cubes. Leave the shell aside. The next, we are going to get the rice, veggies, and protein ready. I have another video linked in the description and upper right corner for more detailed instructions on how to prepare all the ingredients right. A few highlights here. The rice is ideal if you can choose the medium to long grain white rice. Cook beforehand, left cold, and overnight. Always choose different colored veggies to add pops of colors and rich nutrition profiles to the dish. For the proteins, you can choose from eggs, shrimp, chicken, or firm tofu. I use shrimps for today's video. When everything is lined up and ready to cook, let's bring on the heat. High heat on with non-sticky pan. Pour 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Rotate the pan to spread out the oil. When the oil is hot, add shrimp in. Gently stir until the shrimp changes color. Then add in carrots, onions. When the onion turns translucent, we can add rice in. Press down the rice and break the big chunk of the rice. Then add in the peas, sweet pepper chops, ham cubes, corns, celeries, or whatever veggies you've prepared. Stir and let every ingredient get in touch with each other and evenly spread out. Look at these vibrant colors, and it smells very good. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes and then add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce or light soy sauce and stir to evenly coat the mixture. From here you have 2 options. The first, to make good use of the pineapple shell. Put the pineapple shell on the rack inside the oven-safe pan. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon salt on the inside of the shell. Use your hand to spread it around. This step can reduce the sourness of the pineapple. Then scoop the rice to fill the shell up. Once it's full, cover with the other half of the shell and bake in the oven under 375 Fahrenheit about 20 minutes to let the pineapple flavor immerse into the rice mixture. Another way is to add pineapple chunks directly into the rice with the heat on. Keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes to bring the pineapple flavor into the rice. Sprinkle the black pepper and salt to adjust the taste if necessary. I personally like the oven-baked version because eating the pineapple chunks often irritates my sensitive teeth. Baked pineapple can bring the pleasant, sweet taste without the uncomfortable teeth sensation. Either way, when it's ready, transfer the rice to a plate. Or you can fill a bowl to give it a fancier look. Press down the rice in the bowl. Then cover with a plate. Flip, lift the bowl up. The rice will be left in the plate with a nice round bowl shape. Place the stem at the side of the plate. This pineapple fried rice not only have the taste, but the look. For the leftover pineapple cubes, especially the center pieces that are harder and more sour, dump in the blender. Mix with some milk. Blend until it's smooth. You've just produced the natural pineapple smoothie that every kid will love. Now it's time to enjoy the pineapple fried rice. Grab a spoon and scoop it up. Let the sweet, savory, salty flavor and the rich textures from various ingredients excite your mouth and melt your heart. It tastes so good. This is how to make the pineapple fried rice at home. I hope you enjoy the video and give it a try to this beautiful and delicious fried rice recipe. If you like the video, check out the other 2 fried rice recipes linked down below in the description. Get the detailed recipe printout on my website, which is also linked down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more homemade healthy meal recipes every week. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.